I'm going to do a different version of fried chicken. We're going to marinate the chicken with a little bit of coconut milk and the salsa verde. And I'm just going to pour that in on top of my chicken. And here's the best part. You can actually enjoy this chicken two ways, right? You can just now cook this, simmer this, and now you have a beautiful flavored chicken. And a couple of hours or the next day, when the chicken is cooked and cooled down, you can actually then batter it and fry it, right? So this is both works as one meal, like a coconut chicken and rice, but it also works as a fried chicken recipe. And I do think that's conjugated with it.
Hey, look, I found it in the book. I found the right page. There's Sibel right there. And his whole backstory. What's beautiful about this are all of the little mini biographies and these beautiful passages about all of the chefs that are behind these fantastic array of recipes. So we're doing the coconut fried chicken.
You know what I thought was great about this? We get to know these incredible chefs, hearing that backstory, whether it's Greg Godet, that's Haitian American, or Tavel Bristol Joseph, or Naisha Harrington, that is both Korean and African American. And that's the beauty in our country. We have so many different backgrounds, and that makes the food taste so much better.
It really does. And that's, you know, that's a way to celebrate each other, is to be adventurous with our food and to try all these different recipes from different cultures. It's the beauty of our country, you know.
Exactly.
And I think it's been a long time since we've celebrated that in food and just in conversation.
So right here, our chicken is done, Rachel. And I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice on top of this. And I have some of that beautiful honey. I did a marinade. Well, I did a sauce with that mole verde, soy, and honey to get that sweetness on top of that as well. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of lime juice on top and get what Tristan and I are having for lunch. We're having some beautiful coconut fried chicken.
Yes.
Yeah.
You guys, of course, this recipe, it's actually 2 recipes in one, is up on our website, but the book is beautiful. And what a thing to add to your kitchen, and what an education this book will be for you. It's beautifully written and beautifully photographed. The Rise is available now, and it is just, congratulations again.